Is your Roborock Dyad Pro not working? Would you like it to work smoothly again like this? What is the solution to this vacuum problem that is baffled you and that you are seeking assistance for? No worries. Find out how we help our customers who face similar problems. One of our customers had a Roborock Dyad Pro vacuum cleaner that wouldn't even turn on. During our test to diagnose the vacuum, we decided to turn it on and disassemble it to get maximum results. And we discovered it had a faulty battery. This is why the vacuum cleaner won't start. So we recommended a battery replacement. After the customer approves our recommendations, we begin the service and repair process. Further, we test the vacuum cleaner before returning it to the customer. This is the moment of truth. Roborock Dyad Pro vacuum cleaner works like a champ again. As soon as the vacuum cleaner is returned back to the customer, they are delighted with the result. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.